Forget going to an auto elect to sort your camp lighting. The deluxe 5-bar Camplight kit from 4-Wheel Supacentre means you can set up your lights whenever and however you want. To make everything easy to find, the whole kit is contained in its own carry bag. It's as simple as rolling it out to get the bits and pieces you need for any situation. There are 5 50cm light bars that feature built-in magnets as well as slots for the included Velcro straps. For the ultimate control, each light bar has been paired with its own dimmer switch. You can turn each light on and off independently or use one switch for the lot. There's also 2 1.5-metre extension cords, 2 3-metre extensions and a massive 10-metre extension so you can reach every corner of camp. Plus, for extra versatility, you get 2 double adapters and a triple adapter. Finally, you get a SIG plug cord with another 3 metres of length, plus a pair of battery clips with a SIG socket so you can power your whole kit from inside your vehicle or off a separate battery. With this kit, there are hundreds of different combinations available so you can create the perfect lighting for any camp setup in any situation. But the best part is, it couldn't be simpler.